HiddenClearances.com reviews. What they don't tell you if you've seen ads for HiddenClearances.com promising huge clearance and penny deals at local stores. You probably want to know whether it's actually worth your time or your money. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what real reviewers, watchdog platforms, and everyday users have actually experienced, so you can decide for yourself before you spend a single dollar. Hidden Clearances presents itself as a platform that helps shoppers discover clearance and overstock bargains at nearby retail stores. On the surface, the idea sounds helpful, especially for anyone trying to save on everyday purchases. But here's where the picture starts to get complicated. First, the website itself is brand new. Domain records show it was registered only a few months ago in early 2026, and it's hosted through Squarespace. A new domain is not automatically a red flag, but it does mean there is almost no long-term track record to evaluate. Second, independent trust platforms give it very mixed ratings. Scam Detector rates the site at just 14.7 out of 100 and tags it as controversial, high-risk, and unsafe. ScamDoc also gives it a poor trust score and recommends being wary. Griddensoft, on the other hand, places it higher, around 60 to 73 out of 100, noting no major malware or phishing detections. So the consensus across reviewers is mixed, but it leans cautious. Third, and this is what often gets overlooked in glossy ads, real users have shared specific complaints. On review platforms like ScamDoc, shoppers report money being taken from accounts without clear explanation, orders paid for back in March that still have not shipped months later, and customer service that simply does not respond. Several reviewers also point out that the site does not appear to allow PayPal, which removes one of the most common buyer protections available to online shoppers. So what does all of this mean for you? Before you check out with any unfamiliar discount site, here is the pro tip. Always verify the company outside of its own website. Check independent trust scores, look for recent user reviews from the last few months, confirm there is a real physical address and a working phone number, and whenever possible, pay with a method that offers genuine buyer protection, like a credit card, instead of a direct bank transfer or debit. To wrap up, HiddenClearances.com is a very new site with mixed trust ratings and a growing list of unresolved customer complaints. The promise of huge local clearance deals may sound appealing, but the safest move right now is to do your own homework before you buy. If this breakdown helped you, hit like so more shoppers can see it. Subscribe for more no-nonsense website reviews and drop a comment telling me. Have you ever had an experience with a deal site like this one? I would love to hear your story and the next.